Hello, I'm Greg from Protect Your Digits Creations. Today this video is going to be all about converting this bench that originally was a Ron Paulk workbench that I converted to a MicroJig Dovetail Bench is now going to be split in half. But wait a minute, there's something wrong with this. Hold on something's not right here. Hey, hold on. Oh, I know what it is. Wait, let me get the magic hammer out. Oh, there we go. Now we got the right on. Now we're here. A magic hammer. Anyway, today that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go through the series of putting this in to make this. We're going to split this table in half and make this side fold over so that it can be pushed flat up against the wall with a 2-foot by 6-foot working area. Alright, so let's get this done. I only finalize the top of the hinge because I'm going to remove this one part in order to cut this back. Just want you to see that. The other holes have been drilled, and after I put it back on, I'll match them up and drive them home. And now I'll just continue all the way down the ends, the side, and then I'll come right back. See, the hinges go all the way through. I had a heck of a time to get them in through there because I had to build all that out, but it worked. So this is what it's going to look like laying down, just like that. The next step is to make a leg system underneath here, so that when it's open like that, it'll have legs coming out like this, somehow holding it in place. When I don't need it, they'll fold away. So let's get to it. There it is, the folding Ron Paulk MicroJig Dovetail Bench. Thank you. Okay, the bench is done. As you can see, I filled it back in, put all my tools, added a couple of drawers, and that's it. But on to the main subject here. By the way, these casters that are underneath this are factory duty casters. They're the best casters that you could ever buy. They work perfect. They're locking casters. Watch how smooth this thing is. And there we are. As you can see, it's folded down. Here's the legs with that contour that I told you. Here we go. Up. Take a leg. Put it in. Put it up. Take another leg. Put it in. And lock it up. That's 200 pounds on there right now. So as you can see, I'm all finished. I locked the casters so it doesn't move. It's very strong and very sturdy. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've got a little something from this. It's just a great system, and I like it. Dovetail clamping bench that used to be a Ron Paulk workbench. Storage in there on the other side, of course, otherwise it would fall out here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.